Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Langflow and Dify. In order to do so, here we are at Dify.ai and we're also at Langflow.org. According to the Langflow homepage, Langflow is a low-code tool for developers that makes it easier to build powerful AI agents and workflows that can use any API, model, or database. Dify, on the other hand, is an open source LLM app development platform. You can orchestrate LLM apps from agents to complex AI workflows with an RAG engine. Let's take a look with Cider AI to see what the noticeable difference is between the two of them. According to Cider, Langflow and Dify are both tools that cater to different aspects of working with language models and building applications. Here's a comparison of the two. Langflow is a framework that allows developers to create apps powered by large language models using a visual interface. It emphasizes building complex workflows and integrating various components easily. Its key features include enabling users to design and manage workflows visually, making it easier to understand and manipulate. Integration capabilities: it supports integration with various language models, APIs, and data sources, and a focus on workflow management. It's ideal for creating complex applications that require multiple steps, conditions, and outputs. Dify, on the other hand, is designed to help users build applications that leverage LLMs and create conversational interfaces. It focuses on simplifying the deployment and management of these models. Key features include its ease of use, offers simple interfaces to create conversational agents and other applications without deep technical knowledge. Customizable templates: it provides templates for building various AI applications quickly. Simplifies the process of deploying AI chatbots and other conversational agents. Use Langflow if you want a powerful visual tool for designing complex workflows with LLMs and need extensive integration capabilities. Use Dify if you're looking for a more straightforward solution to build and deploy conversational AI applications quickly. The choice between Langflow and Dify largely depends on your project requirements, whether you need advanced workflow management and visual design with Langflow or a simpler approach to building AI-driven conversational interfaces with Dify. You can take a look with Cider if you want some more information on that. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you are interested in Cider AI, take a look at the description for the video. You'll find a link to our link tree there. You'll find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinar, as well as our top recommendations and promotions for AI tools, including Cider, which is a fantastic tool that integrates with your Chrome browser so you can have access to the top chatbots, including Cider Fusion, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek, so you can compare answers and get the answers you're looking for. Take a look at the link there. Click on those links. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.